All right, so we're here with Shelly from BOXO USA. Shelly, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Max. How are you?
I'm doing great. So let's dive right in. And first question I'm going to ask you is how much money did we make you directly working with us?
Directly working with you, we went from 42,000 to 141,000 with the help of you creating the flows and the different segments for us and sending out a couple campaigns as well.
Got it. And just to clarify, that 40,000 is revenue from Clavia, right?
That's correct. Revenue from Klaviyo.
All right, perfect. And where were you guys sort of before working with us? What was sort of the main problem you were trying to solve by working with us?
Generating more revenue with our Klaviyo account, touching base with more customers via email. I know there was some lost opportunities with some of the flows that we weren't running. So, we appreciated working with Skyro Digital, to point those out to us and bring us up to speed.
Perfect. And what was your sort of overall take on the quality of the flows and campaigns that we made for you guys?
I think the flows and campaigns were very good. Kind of upped our game with creative and graphics. Before the working with you, we were kind of just dropping in photos, kind of generic photos. So now we have more kind of a design template that we're going to work on moving forward that we'll use throughout all of our campaigns and flows. Probably based on your direction because it looks pretty cool.
All right, awesome. Glad to hear that. And last question for me, what would you say to somebody who's sort of sat on the fence about working with us?
You guys were very responsive. When we asked you to make any changes, it was done very quickly. In fact, using Slack, I think I was holding up the projects more so by not answering because you guys were on it. And have kind of a small boutique kind of feeling, which really does resonate with our group because we're a small group here. So I liked that aspect of working with Skyro Digital.
All right, perfect. Thanks so much, Shelly. And
You're welcome.
yeah, feel free to reach out to me if you have any other questions.
Awesome.
So, all right.
Appreciate it. Thank you.